told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So, hi guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ascar Akinyi. I am excited. You're welcome. So guys, guess what? We are unboxing. So guys, I'm going to unbox this one here. Able guys, guess. I don't know if you're able to see all of it. Let me just tint my camera. So guys, I have here something here, so I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Yes. So let me not speak na sijaiona. So guys, let me not speak na sijaiona. So let me just unbox it. This is the love of my life. Guys, this is the love of my life. Like, are you ready? Like, are you ready? Mangalia nyuma. Like, are you ready? So guys, this is how the back looks like. Hata ionekani vizuri. Nili. Yes, so guys, I have my washing machine over here. Yes. Hey, it's big, baby. Isn't it miguu? Yeah, I think it's in miguu. The size is okay. Oh my god. Guys, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, guys. Kwa picha haikuwa inakaa this white, but I love it. Like, I love the white. I love the color. I love the white in it. Actually, Jumia, I am so happy. I purchased it from Jumia. Like, you can see my previous vlog, the one I was doing for shopping haul. You saw me just looking for washing machines, and I was super I told you that I was super tired of just washing. Like, oh my god, I can just try to imagine now I'm going to keep my nails. Yeah, so guys, that is it. So just move closer and you will show. So this is a 9 kgs. Actually, this is a 9 kgs washing machine. This is how it looks like. So here we have the pipes over here. Me, I don't know, guys, by the way. I know nothing about these things. I know nothing. I just want to read the manual. So this is how it's coming. I think this one is the manual. And then these ones, I think, ni miguu. Actually, these ones are the stand. Ni?
CG. Like this is miguu.
Ni miguu. Isn't ni miguu? Check with them. Isn't ni miguu? So guys, hebu onyesha hapa ndani. So this is how it looks. Songesha hivi mbali ndio onekane. So this is how inside hapa in our car. So let's just return hizi hapo ndani. I don't know. All these pipes. I think hivi. I don't know, guys. So kuna ya outlet na kuna ya kuweka maji. I think hivyo ya kuingiza maji na kuna ya kutoa. So that is it. And then this one is the cover. So let's just cover it. So there is this carpet over here, by the way, and this one is the dryer. So let's just do the do. So this one is the dryer part, and it also has this thing over here, meaning it's a manual for this place. So let me see, is this the, no, this one is warrant. It's a 1 year warrant. So this is how hapo ndani inakaa ya kuspin. It's a little bit kidogo, but that is how it is. So guys, sorry about my lighting. Haiko poa vile. Yeah, so hiyo ndio ya kufunika kuspin. And that is it, guys. So I have my washing machine over here, guys. I am super, by the way. I feel so nice. I feel so humbled, by the way. I didn't know that I'm going to acquire this washing machine at this particular time, and this is exactly what I wanted. When I started admiring washing machine, I didn't want, at the moment, I didn't want the automatic one. I wanted the semi-automatic one, this top load, because top load can save you maji. Like my take was kwa maji. Like I wanted top load because unaweza save nayo maji, and then you can move it. It's so easy because you can move it even if umeiweka maybe let's say here na hakuna bathroom ni ndogo, you can just move it towards your balcony, or you can just move it towards your bathroom na ufue and then move it out, guys. So I'm just happy. I'm grateful. It's a 9 kg, guys, and it was going for 20. I think in Jumia it was going for 24,180 plus the shipping cost and all that. It was coming for 25,000 for 9 kgs. I thought that one is a big save, and I've bought so many things with MIKA. My fridge is MIKA, my cooker is MIKA. I didn't even know that I was going to buy Louis also wants to talk. I didn't even know that I was going to buy washing machine from MIKA brand. I knew I wanted Hot Point, but I've ended up buying MIKA. Everything I wanted Hot Point, and I don't know why. Every time I go to the supermarket or I go shopping, I normally pick MIKA. MIKA comes hand in hand for me. So guys, I'm happy. I can't wait to wash, by the way. If I just remember the hassle of washing in this house. Like right now I don't have a nanny. And even if I have a nanny, it's just too much for kids around there. And then you have a nanny and a ngangana, so she won't even deliver. Hey. Louis. So guys, thank you so much for watching this short video of mine unboxing my washing machine, guys. I will give you a review on how it works. So I am going to use it tomorrow. Yes, I'm so excited. Niko na nguo mingi za kufua. I was just waiting for this machine because I was sick. Actually, tumefanya kanunua machine. I was sick. Naona sasa nimepona. I was sick and I was like, who is washing again? Na nikita mama wa kufua. A week napeana 800. So I was like, oh. Aya kuja. Hey, Louis. Hey. Louis ameongea, yani Louis ndiye amefanya kazi ya kuongea, like ameshindwa hii ni nini imekuja. So guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'm so excited, by the way. I can't wait to give you review vile ina work. I still don't know how it's working, by the way. I've never encountered one. Sijawahi tumia anyone, so I'm just going to read the manual slowly and I'll give you a review on how it's working. Guys, thank you so much. God bless you. Kindly click the notification bell so that when I upload any of my videos, you be the first one to watch, guys. Mwah! And kindly subscribe to my channel.